Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at the Filter Queen Majestic Surface Cleaner in Bronze, a premium canister vacuum designed to deliver powerful all-in-one home cleaning with Bagless cyclonic action, advanced filtration, and versatile surface cleaning performance. This vacuum has built a strong reputation for deep cleaning capability and durable construction, making it a unique option in the high-end canister vacuum category. The first thing you notice about the Filter Queen Majestic is its premium metal construction and classic design. Unlike many plastic-heavy vacuums on the market today, this machine feels durable and built for long-term use. The bronze finish gives it a premium appearance while the compact canister design keeps it relatively easy to move around the house. One of the key features is the Bagless cyclonic cleaning system. The vacuum creates powerful airflow that separates dirt and debris efficiently while maintaining strong suction performance during cleaning. Whether you're dealing with dust, pet hair, carpet debris, or fine particles on hard floors, the Majestic is designed to maintain consistent power across multiple surfaces. This model works as an all-in-one cleaning machine, meaning it's not limited to just floors. With the included attachments, you can clean carpets, hardwood floors, upholstery, furniture, curtains, stairs, corners, and even hard-to-reach ceiling areas. The canister style also makes it easier to clean under furniture compared to bulky upright vacuums. Another major advantage is the advanced filtration performance. The Filter Queen system is designed to help capture dust and airborne particles while cleaning, making it a strong option for users who want cleaner indoor air quality. Homes with pets or allergy concerns may especially appreciate the filtration efficiency during daily cleaning sessions. The suction performance is powerful enough for deep carpet cleaning while still being gentle on delicate surfaces when adjusted properly. On hard flooring, it picks up fine dust and debris effectively without scattering particles around. The long hose and wand setup provide excellent reach throughout the home, helping reduce the need to constantly move the canister. This becomes especially useful when cleaning stairs, shelves, blinds, and furniture. One area where the Filter Queen stands apart is longevity. Many users choose this vacuum because of its durable engineering and reputation for long-term reliability. It feels more like an investment cleaning system rather than a lightweight disposable appliance. Overall, the Filter Queen Majestic Surface Cleaner combines strong suction power, cyclonic bagless cleaning, advanced filtration, premium construction, and multi-surface versatility into one powerful home cleaning solution. If you want a premium canister vacuum built for serious cleaning performance and durability, this is definitely one worth considering. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about the Filter Queen Majestic Surface Cleaner, check the Amazon link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more daily tech and home product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.